Alright, hello everyone. This is one of my very first attempts at experimenting with Audacity, my microphone, and my bangin' new battle station here during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, I've only got so much to say right now, but I've been told multiple times that I need to go into voiceover and voice acting. Too many times. In fact, one of my more merciful friends has said that I even have a face for radio. So, we're gonna see how that goes. But, I'm gonna be honest. Lots of people say that they like the sound of my voice, but are they going to like what it has to say? Well, stick around, let's find out together, and soon enough, we'll be able to make some form of you hearing my voice a regular thing. Until next time, thank you for listening.